Origay man ko tak daran duri o da ba 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 boom
uga ali boom rape nagiso ako ka paremo kiso wa igo panani nagacantade isku tiso oo diracagiso xanuuna iga fiso aikala biso ribut la maxabahan anjo qahanka giso waliba ku ceceso adina nimadasho
afka hooya
Yeah. Fire beats to the flow right now. Eat her up, show her how you get down. Off the drink, yeah, she finna go round. Fuck it up, hit the ground. Eat her up, eat her up, eat her up. Eat her up, eat her up, eat her up. Eat her up, eat her up, eat her up. Eat her up, eat her up, eat her up. Oh, throwing plenty hundreds in the club. Yeah, well my niggas, we don't give a fuck. Oh, baddie shots, they finna pull up.
Burambur is a traditional Somali dance created and performed by women to share their thoughts, their experiences and aspirations, as well as to articulate their common grievances. It is a rhythmic and poetic dance that looks something like this. And it involves a poet who crafts meaningful verses, a drummer who plays a durban, which is a drum made from animal skin, and a dancer who enters the circle known in Somali as the gorb.
Yeah. Fire beats to the flow right now. Eat her up, show her how you get down. Off the drink, yeah, she finna go round. Fuck it up, hit the ground. Eat her up, eat her up, eat her up. Eat her up, eat her up, eat her up. Eat her up, eat her up, eat her up. Eat her up, eat her up, eat her up. Oh, throwing plenty hundreds in the club. Yeah, well my niggas, we don't give a fuck. Oh, baddie shots, they finna pull up. Yeah, we up the drink, yeah, we finna